think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, it is Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my June Your Nail Lab subscription box by Manicure. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's see what we get. Here we go. Here we go. I absolutely love. Here's your card. Okay. Some nail charm. Rhinestones. Some cord. This one is the stickers. So this box came with two jelly colors. One is this cheerleader red, and it looks orange on camera, but it is a red color. And then this lovely blue glass. I absolutely love this blue color. Nice. Oh, messy. I shouldn't open that. And we have some pink. All-in-one dipping powder. And some build gel. And so here you have this 30 ml blue poly gel. I like this color. So now I'm just going to go in and swatch all of the colors. This one here is that red cheerleader color, and it is a glass look. I don't know how, would it be glass look or a jelly, glass, jelly, same ballpark. And then this blue one, I absolutely love this color. So this is that 2-in-1 dip powder. I'm going to use my Lavender Valley dip liquids to achieve this look. I usually use my Lavender Valley liquids when I'm swatching. And so I am doing everything twice. So I'm doing 2 coats of everything. However, I only show one on camera to save time in video. Next, I'm going to go in and swatch the poly gel. And I did use base coat to help as a slip solution for the poly gel. Instead of alcohol, I end up using some base coat. So I'm just practicing my little poly gel skills, pat, 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 making sure that the poly gel get complete coverage on the swatch sticks. And I don't know why I'm doing all this detail. It's just swatch stick. However, I figure the more practice, the better, because I want to start getting into poly gel, and it's a little practice. So because I already had spillage with the blue, I had pull out that paper towel just in case. But the pink didn't give me any problems with spillage. It was sealed pretty well. And I am going to use a gel base to swatch these glitters, and it worked perfect. So now I'm going to show you what each of the colors look like after they have been top coated. And you have Cheerleader, Blueberry Bubble Gum. So this all-in-one acrylic dip powder is called Coral Light. I'm also loving the raw glitter that came in this package as well, especially this blue. And last but not least, you have this poly gel, which I absolutely love this color. I went ahead and got a 10-gram jar, and I'm going to put those hearts charms in this container. Now, while I was recording this, I didn't realize that when you put these charms under a light, it changes or shift colors. And so you ain't get that because I didn't know. But it does shift to a pink color. Now, this is where the part where I would have showed you that it changed colors, but I didn't because I didn't know. Sorry. So now I'm just going through the rest of the box and taking everything out and giving you a closer look of what the charms and rhinestones look once I take them out the package. That's everything that came in the box. I don't think I can fit all of it in one shot, but if you are interested in getting a box for the month of June, I will leave that information in the description box. That way you can go ahead and cop you one. Of course, they have been pulling my heart with all this blue. Too much. Back to back with blue. I'm loving this month box. I absolutely love this glass jelly polish. I'll probably try do a set with this. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, this is pretty much it. I'm going to be doing some real quick. I'm only going to be using this berry blue bubble gum. I absolutely love. I'm trying to find a swatch stick. Where is it? What I did with the swatch stick? I don't lost it. So I absolutely love how this blue glass look comes out with this blueberry bubble gum. So I'm just, and I have somewhere to be in like 30 minutes, so I ain't got time to be doing this. And so I am just going in with some base coat. I just need something to get me over. So it's gonna be a quick little 1-2. Quick little 1-2 day. So when it comes to this gel polish, I absolutely love this color. However, because of the way that I did my Gel-X dupe method with the Born Pretty gel, solid gel, it didn't give me the look that I wanted, because you can see my natural nails as well as where that gel kind of spilled out towards my free edge. You can see all that even through the color. I did not expect it to be that clear. I thought it was going to like hide some of that. I don't know why, but I thought in my head, oh, this would be cute. You could see through it, but you can't really see through it. That's what I was going for. But you see it all. It actually brings it out more to me when I put this color on it. And so, is it cute? Yes. And as long as it's cute to me, it don't matter what anybody else think. However, I will probably do this set again, trying something different. So I did go in with 2 coats of this color before top coat, and I really kept it simple. There was no extraness when it came to this set. Just some color, base coat to color, top coat, that was it. And once you're done, you want to make sure you clean up those edges. Last thing you want to do is cure gel on your skin. So you want to make sure you go in and take off that excess gel that may have gotten on your skin. So I'm going in with this Venalisa tempered top coat to finish off this look. So this is what the nails are looking like. I think they turned out pretty nice. I absolutely love this glass look. I probably attempt to do this again, but maybe a different setup. But for the most part, I like it. I love it. I think they turned out nice. Could it be better? Yeah. But as long as I like it, it doesn't matter. But thank you for watching my video. If you stuck it out to the end, you've made it this far, I truly appreciate it. I do want to take this time to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly appreciate it. To all of my returning subscribers, I appreciate you as well. If you are new and this is your first time watching one of my videos, if you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
What a wonderful world.